Have you ever asked yourself, what makes a company good or bad? Is it just about money? Well, in the world of business, doing the right thing matters. That's where business ethics and CSR come in. Today, we'll explain both in a super easy way, with examples, fun facts, and cool stories. What is business ethics? Business ethics means doing the right thing in the way a business runs. It's like a set of rules about what's fair, honest, and respectful. Imagine you run a lemonade stand. Would you cheat customers by giving less juice? Of course not. That's unethical. But if you give fair prices, use clean water, and smile, that's being an ethical business owner. Being honest, keeping promises, treating workers and customers fairly, not harming the planet. That's all business ethics. Famous quote: "In looking for people to hire, you look for three qualities: integrity, intelligence, and energy. But the most important is integrity." Warren Buffett. What is CSR? CSR stands for Corporate Social Responsibility. CSR is when a company tries to make the world a better place while doing business. It means a company should not only care about profits, but also about people and the planet. CSR includes things like donating to schools or hospitals, using eco-friendly packaging, giving fair wages to workers, supporting local communities. Example: Patagonia, a clothing brand, donates part of its profits to help the environment. McDonald's gives free meals to sick children and builds homes for their families. These actions don't just help others, they also make customers trust the brand more. Why is ethics and CSR important? If a business cheats, lies, or pollutes, people stop buying from it. Bad reputation equals fewer customers. On the other hand, if a business is kind, clean, and caring, more people support it. That's why smart businesses know doing good is good for business. Ethics and CSR help build trust, attract loyal customers, keep employees happy, save the environment. So business isn't just about money. It's also about morals, values, and making a difference. If you want to learn more about how businesses can be smart and kind, subscribe and follow our full playlist on business and management.